In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Keep Notes. Google Keep is a versatile tool that allows you to organize your thoughts efficiently, and learning to edit your notes can help you keep everything up to date. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to open your Google browser. It might seem like a simple step, but starting correctly is crucial for success. Once you've got the browser open, next up, go to the Google Apps icon. You'll find this icon in the top right corner of your screen. It's a small grid of dots. Clicking on it will reveal a menu with several different Google applications that you have access to. From the drop down menu that you've just opened, look for Google Keep. It's usually represented by a yellow light bulb icon. Click on it to launch Google Keep. If you're a first time user, you might be prompted to sign in with your Google account credentials, so keep those at hand if necessary. Once you're inside Google Keep, your list of notes will appear. Now find the specific note you want to edit. All your notes are displayed here, be they text-based notes, voice memos, or even images. Just click on the note that you need to edit. This will open up the note for you to make any necessary changes. If the changes you need to make are in the text, simply click where you want to edit, add your information, and make any revisions. You can also incorporate images into your note, or if there's an image you no longer find useful, feel free to remove it. But do remember to use images that complement the content or enhance understanding. Besides editing text and images, you also have options to change the note's color or modify its labels. Color coding your notes can help you differentiate between topics or priorities at a glance. Similarly, adding or removing labels can help in better organizing your notes, especially if you have a large collection. After you've made all the changes you want, you need to save your edits. In Google Keep, this is as simple as clicking Close. When you click Close, your changes are automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your edits. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can keep your Google Keep notes perfectly organized and up to date. Editing notes has never been this straightforward, and adapting your digital workspace to better fit your needs can significantly boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep exploring the many functionalities Google Keep offers.